So we go there. Okay.
Kaliwa?
Yeah, kanan. Okay. Then stop in here. After pedestrian stop. Brake. Stop. Stop. Okay. So what if you reach a dead end? No more street in there. So we will going back on this street, no? So you need to make a three-way turn. So you should know drive.
Wait.
Okay. Left. Yan. Right. Okay.
Left, right.
Hmm?
Now, it's automatically stop when you turn. After turning, it's automatically stop. Okay. So we will go in close in there on the sidewalk. Left. Press the left.
Sigaw?
Here. No. Okay. Turn to the left. Left. We will go back here. Go back. There, no? Okay, drive. Press the brake. Then drive. Take a look at your mirror. Okay, we will go there. Okay, very slow. Okay, stop. Stop. No. Very slow. Okay, stop. Then pull over to the right. Right. Pull over to the right first. Then reverse. Take a look. Okay. Stop.
Stop.
Oh, you hit the brake. Okay. Okay, stop. Then back. Then drive. Nice, man. You got it. Straight your. Okay. Then turn right. Okay, release the brake. No gas. Nice. Okay. Then gas. Go. Got it? Man, you got it? Hey, you got it? Okay. Turuan ko na siyang kumanan kumaliwa. I will teach you how to turn. A perfect turn. Okay, straight. Stop. Motorbike. Okay, go. You should learn how to give, huh? Not to forgive, no? Just give, huh?
Kaliwa, kanan.
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 Okay. Take on the left. Look at the left. Okay. Oh yes. Nice. That's cool, man. Okay. So when you're on the street, gas. Stay on this lane. So if you stay on this lane, you never hit another car beside you. Okay, no? Okay. Gas. Okay, brake. Okay, stay on the brake. Nice. Okay, gas. The left. Look at the left. Okay, gas. Change on the lane. Okay. Gas. A little gas. Okay. Gas. Then brake. Okay. Brake. Okay, go. Take a look. Okay. Gas. 1 second on the right mirror. Take a look on the right. This one. Okay, go. Take a look on the left. 1 second. Okay. Before you turn right, take a look at your right. 1 second. Here, mirror. Hey, mirror. And left. Okay. You should follow me, eh? If I said look at mirror, 1 second, you should look, okay? Then go. Gas. Okay, stay on the brake. Gas again. Nice. Okay, press it hard. Go. Go. Press it hard. 1 loop, 1 second on the left. Nice. Okay. 1 second on the right. Okay, look. You cannot leave this front about 2 seconds, huh? Only 1 second when you're looking at the mirror. 1 second before you turn again, no? Okay, 1 second again on the right. Okay, before you turn. Okay. So many cars there, huh? Okay, that is a circle. No, you need to slow, very slow. No gas, brake, brake. Hey. Okay, then go. Gas. A little soft touch. Okay, gas. Very soft, very soft.
No,
Press
big.
so. Soft, 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 soft. Okay. Brake. Okay. Stay on the brake. Let the car move by itself. No gas. No gas, huh? Okay, we will go there. Save more. Okay.
Here?
Yes. You're going to turn your... Yeah. When you turn in your wheels, never press the gas, huh? Okay? No, no gas, no gas. Just only brake. Stay on the brake, man. Stop, stop. Okay, go, go, go. You should stay on the brake only. Oh, you're on the gas, man.
You don't have to brake.
Matigas ulo, ha? Brake, okay. Stop. Let it pass, the white car. Okay. Stop. Then, okay, release the brake, okay. Okay, stay on the brake. So, you need to learn how to turn your wheels to the right, huh? Okay. Nice. So, half right, again. Then, right more, right. Again, then, that's enough. Then, no gas. Very good, na? Okay, very good na si Kuya. No gas, ha? Okay, gas. So when you're going to turn, okay, you should slow, brake, brake, brake. That's good. Then let your car move by itself. Okay, then turn right, signal, up the signal. Yeah. Okay, no gas, huh? Very good. Okay, very good. Okay, no, then okay, straight again. That's enough. Okay. A little, no, brake. So, let the car pass. Okay, stop.
Wait.
Here. Here. Okay, stop. Nice. So, you can drive now if you drive like that. Okay? But first of all, you must get your non-professional license. Okay. Release the brake. Okay, that's good. Turn right. Right turn. So you see, it's turning right, the signal. Okay, right more. Okay, then straight. So it turns off. Automatically turn off the light signal. Oh, beep beep. Nice. Your brother. Beep beep.
Kuku daw.
Your cuckoo dolls.
Kuku.
Okay, turn right. Practice, huh?
Tutup-tutup.
Yeah. Okay, stop, ha? Ate, oh, ate, you see ate? Okay. Nice. Okay, go. So, you don't need the gas when you're turning your wheels. Okay? Remember that? Can you remember that? Okay.
他说什么？我听不懂。
Okay.
No gas daw.
Stop.
不知道。
Okay, stop. No gas.
Yeah.
No yo-yo, no yo-yo. When you turning your wheels,
You
no
chow
yo-yo.
in gas, ay in ano lang, in brake. Brake.
You chow and brake. Remember that when you turning your wheels, there only brake. Never use gas. Okay. Okay, stop. Okay. Go close. Yeah. Okay. Stop. He will make a left turn. Okay. After he becomes straight, okay, let your... Okay, very good. So try in 3 km per hour. Make it perfect. Right turn in 3 km. 3. Only 3, huh? That's cool. Okay, stay on 3. Nice. Oh, nice. 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 Oh, 6. Oh, miss. Okay.
3 lang.
Okay, no? So ganun lang yan, ha? So ganun yung pagliko ng kanan.